Hello everyone, I am Monica from IELTS 9 and definitely you have to subscribe and like my channel at the end when you will be learning something. Okay, let's look at this reading, that is Asian Space Satellite Technology. This reading was part of 7th October 2023 IELTS exam in India. But of course, this reading can repeat in another country also, like Dubai, Singapore. Many countries are there: Philippines, South Africa, Spain, UK, Canada, America, New Zealand, Australia. Anywhere it can repeat, so don't worry about it. We will just do practice of this reading, and not necessarily same reading passage will be there. Passage information they may change, but definitely they may be talking about technology and all. Okay, so let's do this reading. That reading name is Asian Space and Satellite Technology. So first type of question they have given list of headings. Okay, second type of question we have true false not given, and another type of question we have also here, match the following reasons for each question according to the information. Means these are the information from A to F and these are the questions. For these questions we have to match these options. These are the information and these are the statements they have given. Okay, so I will start my reading with first type of question, that is a list of heading. So list of heading, how to do list of heading, as I have made many videos on this topic, IELTS, how to do IELTS list of heading. Of course, first we will read these headings, try to understand the meaning, and then definitely I will try to find out one important keyword. That keyword will take us to the location. Means first I will read all the options, underline the keywords, then I will read each paragraph one by one. After reading one paragraph, I will come again here on these headings and try to match any heading with it. So let's read it. So Western countries provide essential assistance. Okay, Western countries provide essential assistance. Okay, unbalanced development for an essential space technology. Essential is everywhere, so I will not consider it as a keyword. Okay, so innovative application, innovative, something new, innovation kind of thing. Application compelled by competition. So here competition and innovative and application also you can say. Fourth number, an ancient invention. Okay, an ancient invention. Here innovative means new one. Invention is here also, and but here they are talking about ancient means old, which is related to the future. Okay, so ancient and combination of future is there. Fifth number, military purpose of the satellite. Okay, satellite as well as military purpose. Sixth number, rockets for application in ancient China. Rockets, rocket word, and China is also. So next is space development in Asia in the past. Space development in Asia in the past. So old things they are asking, space development, how it developed in Asia. So eighth number, non-technology factors count. Non-technology factors count. Okay. Ninth, competitive edge gained by more economical feasible satellite. Competitive word is there. More economical feasible satellite. Okay. Let's read options number A. So here one thing they have given for paragraph D, already they have selected current space technology development in Asia. So nothing, they have not given any this option here already. So we have 9 options for 5 A, B, C, E and F for 5 paragraphs. Okay, let's move to A number paragraph. So this is my paragraph. So this is not A number paragraph. A number paragraph is this. So I am showing full reading passage, full reading paragraph. In fact, whatever I am reading, I am showing it to you, and no need to get PDF and all. Just do it with me. So I am showing you and just try to read it within 30 seconds. So they are talking about this Sung dynasty, China, rocket technology, Mongol invaders. Okay, these ancient rockets, these ancient word is also there, stand in stark contrast to the present day Chinese rocket launch vehicles called Long March. Okay, so now we have got so many clues out of by reading this paragraph. So here we have got rockets also, China also, and of course everything we have got rocket technology, China also, and past they are talking about. But here ancient word is also there. See, this ancient word is also there. Invention is there, which is related to the future also. So ancient rockets, when they were talking about this 500, and this means ancient rockets, and contrast to the present day Chinese rocket launch vehicles. It means from past to future they are talking, but many students will opt for this answer, rockets for application in ancient China. So rocket word is there, ancient China is there, but application word is not there. See this, rocket technology has progressed considerably since the days of fire arrows, first used in China around this and this to repel Mongol invaders at the battle of this and this. But if, okay, so you will be saying that application is also given in ancient China, how this rocket they have used it for just to repel Mongol invaders, these. But again, the main thing here they are talking here, these ancient rockets stand present day and all. So application, if you just look at the word application or uses, it is not given in this paragraph. So I will go with this ancient and future. See, this ancient rockets stand in stark contrast to the present day, which is related to the future. Okay, so we will go with this we have selected. So A paragraph means we will go with number 4. Okay, now coming to B paragraph. B paragraph, what they are saying at B, in the last decade, full paragraph I am showing it to you. In the last decade, there has been a dramatic growth in space activities in Asia, both in the utilization of space-based services and production of satellites and launchers. Okay, this rapid expansion has led many commenters and analysts to predict that Asia will become a world space power. The space age has dramatic effect. Okay, technology influencing telecommunication is also there, meteorological forecasting is there, earth resource, environmental monitoring, disaster. Asian nations have been particularly eager to embrace these development. Okay, first line, in the last decade there has been a dramatic growth in space activities in Asia. So somewhere they were talking about, see this, yeah, past, I told you past, space development in Asia. See this, in B paragraph they are talking about last decades means past, there has been a dramatic growth in space activities in Asia. So this is matching with this 6th number with B paragraph. Okay, so I will write it. So see this paragraph again please. Sorry, B paragraph. You can choose, if you are finding any other word then you can just, so here for B paragraph I will put 6 number or 7, no, this is 7 number. Okay, now coming to C paragraph. Now this is full C paragraph, I am showing it to you, you can also read it with me. New and innovative, see this word, uses of for satellites are constantly being explored with potential revolutionary effects such as in field of health, telemedicine, distance education, crime prevention, food and agriculture planning, production. Space in Asia is very much influenced by competitive commercial space sector, the emergence of low-cost mini satellite and globalization of industrial financials. So okay, so from this first word I can just imagine what we should match it. Innovative application compelled by competition. See this, you can read it yourself. So this third number, new and innovative uses means application compelled by competition. So these are the application in these fields, and competitive influenced by competitive commercial space. So for C paragraph we will go with third number. Okay, now coming to E paragraph. Now D we don't have to read actually. Now let's check how many are left. Western, so 3 we have gone, essential assistance, Western countries, unbalanced development and military purpose. rockets, this is negation because this paragraph has gone. Okay, non-technology factors count. Okay, competitive edge gained by more economical physical satellites. Okay, let's read E paragraph. So E paragraph is longer one. So I am showing it like that, and then half of the paragraph after reading this. Asia and Southeast Asia particularly suffers from a long list of recurrent large-scale environmental problems, including storms, flooding, okay, crop failures. Thus, the space application that has attracted the most attention in this region is remote sensing. Okay, remote sensing satellite equipped with instrument to take photographs of the ground at different wavelengths provide essential information for natural resource accounting, environmental management, disaster prevention, monitoring, land use mapping, sustainable. So many things they have given. Progress in these applications has been rapid and impressive. Asian members, unlike China, Japan, India, do not have their own remote sensing satellites. Okay. However, most of its members have facility to receive, process, interpret such data from America, European satellites. Okay. So, in particular, Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore have world-class remote sensing processing development. See, I can just understand that these countries do not have these remote sensing, but other countries in Asia, they like Thailand, Malaysia, Singapore have world class remote sensing facilities. So it means what? So I think they are talking about unbalanced development for an essential space technology, unbalanced kind of thing here. These countries do not have. Here in the same continent, same Asian countries, these countries are supported by American and European satellites. So it means this is, we will go with second number with E paragraph. So I am writing it second number. Okay, now coming to next paragraph, that is F paragraph. Let's read it. In recent years, there have been fundamental changes in the way satellites are designed to build drastically reduce cost. Okay, the emergence of small satellites and their quick adoption by Asian countries to develop low-cost satellite technology and rapidly establish a space has given these countries the possibility to shorten their learning curve by a decade or more. The global increase of technology transfer mechanism and use of readily available commercial technology to replace costly space. Okay, military is also there. Standard components may very well. I will show you the next part. So may very well result in a highly competitive Asian satellite manufacturing industry. So yes, we can match with no, and innovative, this we have done. This military purpose of the satellite, alone military purpose, are they talking about alone military purpose? Too costly space, military standard components may very well, and here they were talking about low cost technology. Okay, only this they are talking technology. Okay, let's see. Space development in Asia in the past, that we have done. Military purpose of the satellite, only military purpose of the satellites is not there. Let's read this. Competitive edge gained by more economical feasible satellite. Yes, this commercial technology and cost to replace costly space and military standard components may well, and what they were talking about, yeah, here last line, result in a highly competitive Asian satellite manufacturing industry. And if you look at the first part of the paragraph, fundamental changes, satellites are designed built to drastically reduce costs. So we will go with more economically, this 9th number with C, with F paragraph. This is 9th number. Okay, now coming to next type of question, that is match the following reason. These are the reasons, these are the information, and these are the statement. We have to match these statements with this information. Okay, so how to do this question? First, definitely we will read all the options available and underline something. Okay, so because it helps administrate the crops. Okay, there are some unapproachable areas. Okay, because the economic level of that area is low economic level, because there are influences from other social factors. Okay, because it can be used in non-peaceful purpose, because disasters such as bushfire happened in Southeast Asia. Okay, now these options we have come across, we have just read it. Now coming to 33 question, why remote photographic technology? So remote photographic technology, we know in which paragraph they were talking, is used to resolve environmental problem. So environmental problem is used to resolve. So let's see the paragraph. No, here it is not. I think here in this paragraph they were talking about photography. See this, I will show it to you. Photography, remote sensing, they were talking somewhere. No, it is not. So E paragraph we will read it. Yeah, here it is photography. Yes. In E paragraph they are talking about photography. Okay. Same this thing, remote photographic technology is used to resolve environmental problems. So here remote sensing, remote photography. So we will read it. So Asia is also there. Is used to resolve environmental problems. Suffers from a long list of large scale environmental problems. Same words are there. See this, including storms, forest fire is there. Forest fire, bushfire. See this, bushfire. Okay, but let's read it. Deforestation, crop failures. Thus the space application that has attracted the most attention in this region is remote sensing, satellites equipped with instruments to take photo of the ground. So here this is matching because disasters such as bushfire happened in Southeast Asia. This is also given. So with 33 we will go with F number. Okay, now this is gone. Why, next question, why satellite technology is used in medicine area? So where they were talking about medicine, I think in C paragraph, see this, telemedicine it is given. So because now how I am getting these locations, because I have read whole passage with the help of when I was doing my list of headings. So here they are talking about why satellite technology is used in the medicine area. So medicine area is here. New innovative uses for satellites are constantly being explored with potential revolutionary effects such as in the field of health, telemedicine, distance education, crime and all. Production space in Asia is very much influenced by competitive commercial space sector. Emergence of low cost mini satellites. Okay, now we have read all the things. Now let's find the option. Crops, no, there are unapproachable, some unapproachable area. Economic level, that area is low because there are influences. It can be used in non-peaceful area. This we have done. It is not evident space will coming decades in face of understand space activity possible consequences. So it is new and innovative area are constantly being explored with potentially revolutionary effects. Okay, so because it helps, no, the crops is not there. Unapproachable areas, there are some unapproachable area. So yes, potential revolutionary effects are constantly being explored with this. So distance education is very much influenced by emergence of low cost, globalization of it is not evident how develop in coming decades in the effect of trends. Okay, so we will just select now non-peaceful purpose because it can be used in non-peaceful. There are influences. This also it is matching this also. So economic because the economic level in that area is low. Is it given like that? Low cost. Yes, low cost mini satellite word is there. So I will go with that. C number. Yes, this number. C number. I will go with this 34. C number. Now coming to 35. Why Asian countries satellite technology is limited for development? Why satellite technology is deployed in an agricultural area? So this word I know, we have read agricultural kind of thing here. See, this agriculture kind of thing is here also same. Here they were talking about health and medicine, and here also agriculture, planning, space. Okay, globalization, it is not evident how. Understand? Okay. So why satellite technology is deployed in an agriculture area? Because it helps administrate the crops. So this we can go, because I will show you. No. In E paragraph, something they were talking about. Yes, here they were, because it helps administrate the crops. See this, rice crop monitoring. Rice crop monitoring means agriculture kind of thing. So we will go with first number, A number, with 35 number. Okay. Why Asian countries satellite technology is limited for development? Because it helps the administrate the crops. Because 36, answer number 36 is A. No, sorry, this is not the answer. 36 is A. So it is clearly given. See this C paragraph, you can see this. Food and agriculture planning and production, rice crop monitoring word is also there. That's why this will come with that. Now the last one is left. This 35 number. Why Asian countries satellite technology is limited for development? Okay. See this, Asian countries satellite technology is limited for development. So this we have found it 2 places, and here we have left, how many we have left options? A is also gone, C is also gone, F is also gone. So only we have left non-peaceful purpose, economic level is low, no, C is gone, unapproachable areas is also, we can't consider it now. Now because there are influences from some other social factors. Factors word I have read it, like here in this C paragraph also. So it is not evident how Asian space will develop in the coming decades. In the face of these trends, it is however important to understand and access the factors word is also there, and forces that shape Asian development activities and development in determining its possible consequences for the region. And here in D paragraph, see this, they are talking about here also, in the development of this technology, many non-technical factors such as economic, political, culture, history play important role, which in turn affect Asian technology. So this also saying because there are influences from some other social factors. So D also, we will just put it D with that. Okay. Now coming to true, false, not given. Now as you know how to do true, false, not given, first we will try to read the statement and understand its meaning, and definitely we will just mark the keywords that can't change it. Okay, 500 years ago, military purpose, and ancient China, and rockets also. These words will take us to the location. And if ancient China had already deployed rockets for military purpose in only 500 years ago, then true. And if they have not employed rockets for only for military purposes but for other purposes, then false. And if they are not talking about anything like rockets, military purpose, then not given will be there. Okay, I know the location of this question. So in A paragraph they were talking about China. So here ancient China, China is rocket is also there, 500 is also there. So let's read it what they are. Ancient rockets are also there. So 500 years ago, 500 BC. So 500 years ago is different and 500 BC is different. So that's why. So now you can read it. I am showing you full question and full reading passage. Had already deployed. Rocket technology has progressed considerably since the days of fine arrows first used in China around 500 BC during this to repel these ancient rockets stand. Now they have started talking about future present tense. So it means it is wrong. 500 BC is wrong. Had already deployed rockets for military purposes. Actually this is wrong thing. So 500 years ago means around 1500 century. But here they are talking about BC, before Christ. So that is wrong. So it is false answer. Okay, now coming to 38, space technology has enhanced the literacy of Asia. Has enhanced the literacy of Asia. If space technology has enhanced the literacy of Asia, then definitely yes. If not, not talking about enhancement of literacy of Asia, then not given. And if they are saying less enhancement and other things to literacy and other things, then false. So literacy and yeah, in another paragraph about education they were talking about here in this paragraph, on in C paragraph, education. See, I have already underlined the things. So here we can read it. New innovative uses for satellites are constantly being explored with potential revolutionary effects. Field of health, telecommunication, distance education and all. Planning space in Asia is very much influenced by this and this. But if you look at the statement, has enhanced the literacy of Asia, so nothing, they have not given like that. Any enhancement of literacy of Asia, nothing is given. So I will just put it not given. See this, you can read the statement again, read the question statement here. Okay, now 39th number, photos taken by, photos paragraph we know where they were talking in E paragraph, taken by satellites with certain technology help predict some natural catastrophe, it prevention and surveillance. Okay, let's read, let's find the paragraph. See this paragraph, photos taken by, okay, prevention and prediction. So technology help prediction natural calamities and all. So okay, so particularly suffer from a long list of recurrent large-scale environmental problems, storms, flooding and deforestation, crop failures. Thus the space application that has attracted the most attention in this region is remote sensing. What remote sensing means? Photos taken by satellite equipped with instrument to take photos of the ground and different wavelengths, provide essential information for natural resource accounting, environmental management, disaster prevention and monitoring. So everything they have given. So if you are just thinking this word is not there, natural catastrophes, they have changed, paraphrased the word. They have used synonym, natural prevention. See this. So when they are taking photo, different wavelength provide essential information for natural resource accounting, environmental management, disaster prevention and monitoring. So this is disaster. So this is true. Okay, this is true. Now 40 number. Commercial competition constitutes a boosting factor to Asian technology. Commercial. So commercial thing. So commercial thing, commercial word is here in this paragraph. I will show you the question also. So 40th question we are doing, commercial competition constitutes a boosting factor to Asian technology development. Okay. So commercial factor is the keyword, boosting factor and Asian technology development. See this. So here the global increase of technology. So we know the location actually, that's why we are doing. And after getting 39 number, so 39 number location we have got in E paragraph. Now I am reading F paragraph. So here the global increase of technology transfer mechanisms and use of readily available commercial technology to replace costly space, and this may very well, I will show you the another part. Yes, like commercial technology to replace costly and may very well result in a highly competitive Asian satellite manufacturing industry. It means this question is boosting factor to Asian development. This is also true. See again, look at the location. This is the location and this is the last line. See this. You can read it where I have just done it, from here till here, from here. Same, this is true answer.